Today I'm going to be making fish amok, which is widely considered the national dish of Cambodia. The origins of this dish are widely disputed, but because it features freshwater fish, it most likely came from inland areas. Freshwater fish is seen in a lot of Cambodian dishes because of the Mekong River and the Tonle Sap. There are also a lot of Chinese and French influences in their cuisine as well. The Chinese began arriving in the 13th century, and then migration accelerated during the French period. While there are some influences from other countries, Cambodia has its own flavors that are unique to the area and the Khmer culture. The Khmer people are one of the oldest ethnic groups in the area, and most experts believe that they filtered into Southeast Asia from southern China sometime around 2000 BC. The rise of the Khmer Empire began in 802 AD and went on to take over Southeast Asia for 6 centuries. This is why their impact is still relevant today, with neighboring countries sharing traditions and taking influences from Khmer culture and food.